Oh my goodness, I am loving this look. Crystal Fantasy Barbie, she looks absolutely amazing. He did a great job with this recreation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hair transformations. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. So she grabs the scissors and cuts off those ponytails. And then the stylist cleans up the lines, cutting the hair even shorter into a jaw length style bob. Very nice. Next up, it looks like we might have another bob here. Oh no, she's going shorter. Okay, it looks like he cut a few layers in here, so she's getting a full makeover with this one. Makeup done and everything. Looks like he did a nice bob style with lots of curls. Now that is definitely a volumized bob. Now, as always, if you guys are feeling inspired by today's hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have Philip Wolf doing a style, one of my favorite stylists. So far, it looks like he might be doing like a mullet haircut. I like the hair color too. It's like a really pretty, I want to say ash blonde shade. Yeah, so he did do like a shoulder mullet-y type of haircut, which is like a mix between a shag and a mullet. Very cute style. Oh, I love the makeup too. Beautiful bright turquoise in the top. Oh, she looks beautiful. Very nice. So here we have someone with shoulder length basic hair. Let's see what the stylist ends up doing. Oh, a nice chic classic bob. Very nice. So next up we have someone with extremely curly hair. She's got some grown out color here. Stylist chops the hair right off. Oh, it looks like she got like a cropped cut. And then he goes in with some color. Beautiful blonde. Very nice. I like the asymmetrical shape. This is kind of cute. Next up, it looks like someone's getting an undercut. A little bit of color added. I really like the shape of this. A lot of length to play around when it comes to styling. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.